If you had a day off today, a beautiful day out there. Let's take a look outside what it looks like right now on our RV World Skycam. You've got some haze out here. You've got some trees, a little bit of breeziness on those, but that's not anywhere near what we're going to be seeing in the desert southwest corner of Imperial County. Let's take a look at that right now. And we have a wind advisory, a high wind advisory right here. This is why this is happening. It started at 6 o'clock tonight. So if you're traveling along I-8 going to or from San Diego or the areas thereabouts, be prepared before you go. Slow down. Let's fast forward this and I'll show you why we're so concerned about this. So 8, 9 o'clock, look at this. Gusts of up to 50 miles per hour in that southwestern corner, so please be careful, and then they'll dissipate a little bit tomorrow afternoon. So again, please be advised if you're going to travel to San Diego or back this way. In that area, you're going to be blowing back and forth. Again, here is the advisory, the high wind advisory here in the Ocotillo area. That will be in effect until noon tomorrow. We take a broader look at what we're looking at down here, San Diego area up through Palm Springs. They are in a high wind warning. That is in effect until 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. Take a look at what we have here. Satellite. We've got all of this wind activity coming in the East Pacific, zeroing into where we are right now. You're still going to see a lot of this cloud cover. It will go and come back throughout the evening and into the morning. Our current temperatures right now, we'll get to those in just a short bit, but first, our Imperial County Air Quality Index, looking good all the way around. Calexico at moderate, along with Mexicali, but Brawley, El Centro, Niland, and Westmoreland all checking in good. It's brought to us by the good folks at the Imperial County Air Pollution Control District. Your current temperatures right now, 67 degrees in Yuma. The sun will set right about now at 6:24. Same can be said across the border in California. In El Centro, you're currently at 67 degrees, 5 miles per hour. Right there. Now, as you plan the rest of your day today, tonight about 7 o'clock, mostly sunny skies, 76. Tonight at midnight, the temperature will drop about 20 degrees, and tomorrow morning, sunny and 54. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Breezy, right where we should be tomorrow, around average 76, but then we're going to dip below average, 71, 70, still breezy, a mild day on Friday. Turning the page to Imperial Valley and Imperial County, much of the same, right where we should be tomorrow, a little breeze, and then we'll cool off Wednesday, Thursday, on into the weekend.